Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the top monday.com tips and tricks you can start using right now to boost your productivity, streamline your workflow, and make the most of this powerful project management tool. Let's jump straight into it. Don't start from scratch. Go to monday.com. Go to templates tab and search for what you need. Like product client feedback, then use template and instantly get a board with columns, groups, and automations already set up. Customize once, then save your version as a new template like that. monday.com isn't just about text columns. Use status columns for task stages, people columns to assign team members, date columns for due dates, formula columns for calculations, files, drop downs, and even time tracking. Right click the top of any column to rename, delete, hide. Click on automate and add a rules like when status change to done, notify person when date arrives, create a sub items, if priority is high, move to top of group. You can build custom workflows using if this, that, then that logic. It saves tons of time and reduces human error. Combine automation with integrations like Slack, Gmail, Outlook. Want a bird's eye view of everything? Go to dashboards. Click add widgets like battery widget, velocity chart, calendar view, time tracking, summary, charts for reporting. Perfect for project managers or business owners who want real-time insights. You can even combine multiple boards into one dashboard. Every board has view options, Kanban view great for agile teams, timeline view visualize task duration, calendar view see what's due and when, workload view balance assignments across team members, switch views depending on your task style or role. Sometimes a task has a smaller steps, use items to break it down. For example, launch campaign, then items, write copy, design graphics, schedule post. Each sub item can have its own status, due date, and assignee. Helps reduce clutter and track micro tasks without creating new rows. Need to filter tasks across multiple boards, use tags, edit tag column, create tags like hashtag urgent, hashtag client work, hashtag design. Later, you can search for or filter by these tags to stay organized even across projects. Download the Monday.com mobile app to stay updated on the go. You can check updates, respond to comments, change task statuses, use voice to text for updates. Also, don't ignore the inbox tab. It's like you Monday notification center for all activity relevant to you. Connect Monday.com with tools you already use, Slack for instant updates, Google Calendar for scheduling, Zoom for meeting links, Gmail to turn emails into tasks, and over 40 plus more apps. Go to integrate, choose your app, set triggers and actions. This makes Monday.com your team's central hub. And that's it. This Monday.com tips will help you work smarter, not harder. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment your favorite Monday.com feature or tip. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.